My dear boys of class 11th, good morning to one and all. Today, I am going to complete one adventure sports related to water, that is surfing. Surfing, surfing, surfing. Perhaps you have heard the term surfing. It is an adventure sports related to water. Surfing has become a very popular nowadays. It has become very popular adventure sports. It is done in the seashore. There are many cities, many states of India which are situated by the side of the sea, and it is a very popular game in India, adventure sports in India, and people from all over the world, they find India as the destination of surfing. They come, बहुत फॉरेनर्स आते हैं. तो सर्फिंग, what is surfing? The surfing is an adventure sports. Here a surfer rides on the wave, moving wave, which is moving very fast towards the shore. With his surfboard, he maintains balance. A surfer rides and utilizes the strength of sea wave, moving sea wave, which is moving very fast, and at the ridge, peak of the wave, a surfer moves very fast along with the speed of the waves towards the shore. This is surfing. This is extremely thrilling, exciting, adventurous, and a surfer enjoys a lot. When 150 200 kilometers per hour a wave moves towards the shore, and by maintaining the balance on a surfboard, when a surfer moves in that speed towards the shore, it is extremely thrilling, but it needs a lot of practice. You have to learn it first. So this is surfing. Now, what are the equipments needed for surfing? Surfboards, number one, surfboarड्स, लॉन्ग बोर्ड्स. सर्फबोर्ड दो तरह का होता है, एक बहुत अपने बॉडी के साइज़ का होता है और एक छोटा सा होता है जो सर्फबोर्ड, जो जिसमें बैलेंस करके मूविंग वेव में जाते हैं. अच्छा, आपको सर्फ वॉक्स चाहिए, बिकॉज यू हैव टू रिमेन इन द सलाइन वाटर, सी वाटर, सॉल्टी वाटर फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम. दैट्स वाई यू हैव टू यूटिलाइज वॉक्स. क्रीम भी आ गए हैं आजकल, तो ये सब लगा के जाते हैं. तो सर्फ वॉक्स. स्विमिंग सूट्स चाहिए, वेट सूट्स आपको चाहिए, सन ग्लास टू प्रोटेक्ट द आइज फ्रॉम सलाइन वाटर, बिकॉज समुंदर का पानी आँख में जाते हैं तो लहरते हैं बहुत. इट इज़ इन्फ्लेमेटोरी. तो these are the equipments needed in surfing. Surf boards, both long and short, number one. Number two, surf wax, oil, gel, ये सब भी आते हैं. वेट सूट्स, स्विम सूट्स, सनग्लास, कैप, स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ कैप ब्लैडर का आता है टू प्रोटेक्ट द हेयर. सो दीज थिंग्स वी नीड. व्हाट आर द सेफ्टी मेजर्स? हाँ, सेफ्टी मेजर्स आपको लेना है. You have to be very much careful about drowning. Before learning surfing, how to surf, you must know swimming. A surfer is a good swimmer also, number one. Number two, use good quality surfboard. If you are surfing at a devastating speed, great speed, and your surfboard breaks down, you will be nowhere. You will be extremely injured, badly injured. So use good quality surfboard. Be very careful about the marine animals. कहीं चलो उधर खाली है, उधर जाके सर्फिंग करते हैं अकेले, बट when you are in the deep sea, inside the wave, you are surrounded by the sharks. ठीक है, ऐसा बहुत एक्सीडेंट्स हुआ है. सर्फर शार्क के पेट में चला गया है. तो बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट द marine creatures, marine animals. Number four, sometimes at the bottom of the sea, the near the seashore, the depth is shallow, the sea is shallow. Some perhaps think you are coming at a devastating speed, and you are collided in the seabed, sandy bed, just beneath the water. Now you will you will be badly injured, you will drop down, and this may create problem. So these are the safety measures you have to take surfing today. After this, thank you.